through a creative process together. That was the magic that I went through with this film, which is very rare nowadays. वो आपको WhatsApp पे ढूंढ आ जाती है और आपके inbox में script आ जाती है. And I will always be grateful to both these wonderful gentlemen. And वो अनुपम सर अपना white shirt और jeans पहन के मुझसे आधे घंटे पहले एयरपोर्ट पे मिल जाते थे मुझको, and that was wonderful, and I really miss that. And I think yes, it's the beauty of the process and of these wonderfully very creative but also very humane people that I think became what it became.
So, hi everyone. Thank you, sir. I am Gautam Ahuja and I'm playing Jackie sir's son in the film. I'm playing Max, and I am really nervous right now. I'm sorry for that. I just want to say thank you so much, Anupam sir, for liking my audition, for getting me on board, and for always being there. More than a director, to be really honest, as a supporting force, because I remember very vividly this one time what happened where there was something happening on set and it was taking a lot of time, and so I said abhi jitna jaldi karna hai kar lo, main apne actors ko jaldi karne nahi bolunga, and that really stayed with me. And apart from that, Jackie sir, you have actually kind of played off my father even off set. Right now also outside you were there supporting me, pushing me ahead, telling me chupna mat. It means a lot to me, and Shuvangi, you have done a great job, and it's a class cheese. Sir, it really means a lot to me to be standing here with all of you, and I will never forget this day. Thank you so much.
Okay, we're taking one last question. जी.
हेलो सर, मैं दीपेश पांडे, दैनिक जागरण से. सर, सबसे पहले आपके ट्रेलर के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और बधाइयाँ. बहुत ही खूबसूरत ट्रेलर है. सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे ये रहेगा कि ओम जय जगदीश के बाद ये आपकी दूसरी डायरेक्टोरियल है, तो क्या शुरू से ही इरादा था कि इस फिल्म को आप ही डायरेक्ट करेंगे या फिर किसी और के पास भी लेके गए?
नहीं, मैं क्यों लेके जाऊंगा किसी और के पास. दैनिक जागरण से हो, जाग जाओ थोड़ा बेटा. नहीं, मैंने डायरेक्ट ही करना चाहता था. मैं ही बनाना चाहता था इसको, बिकॉज मैं जो मेरी तन्वी है उसी को देख के दिमाग में आइडिया आया था. और इसी जब आपकी पटरी ठीक चल रही होती है तो आप उसको हिलने नहीं देते, मगर अगर ग्रो करना है तो आपको ऐसे चैलेंजेस लेने ही पड़ते हैं. वरना क्या है, मैं 70 साल का हूँ, अभी मुझे लगता है कि 20 साल और काम करूँगा तो मैं उसी डर्रे पे चल सकता हूँ. बट आई लाइक टू टेक चैलेंजेस वेयर लाइफ मेक्स इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, एंड इट्स ओनली बिकॉज व्हेन यू मेक इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर योरसेल्फ दैट यू कैन कम अप विद समथिंग होपफुली एज ब्यूटीफुल एज दिस इज.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन मेरा पल्लवी मैम के लिए रहेगा. पल्लवी मैम, मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी तो आपने एक फिल्म के बारे में बताया था. काफ़ी इमोशनल फिल्म है और आपके लिए कई सीन्स ऐसे रहे जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल कर देने वाले रहे. बट मैं ऑन द सेट ऐसे मोमेंट जानना चाहूँगा जो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इमोशनल रहे.
इस फिल्म में वैसे देखा, नमस्ते एवरीवन, मुझे बहुत देर के बाद बोलने का मौका मिला है. एंड थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग मी द क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली सारे सीन इस फिल्म में, जहाँ तक मेरे सीन है, वो सब इमोशनली थे. और जब अनुपम जी ने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी सबसे पहले, तो आई लव द कैरेक्टर. पर सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा मुझे आता था सेट पे, बिकॉज आई थिंक बिटवीन द टू ऑफ अस हम लोग शूटिंग कम और वर्कशॉप ज़्यादा चलाते थे वहाँ पे. सो आफ्टर एवरी शॉट अनुपम जी वुड कम एंड ही वुड से कि थोड़ा इसको अलग ढंग से कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा इस तरह से कर लेते हैं. So I think we went through every scene, with a lot of interpretations, and that was, I think, the most brilliant thing that an actor can ask for.
पल्लवी, आपको तो फिर भी ऐसा बोलता, जब मैं कृति को ऐसा बोलता था ना, मैं डांस नहीं कर सकता बिल्कुल भी, तो कृति पूरा तैयार करके आती थी. उसको बोलता था नहीं, इसको थोड़ा सा स्टेप चेंज कर ले, तो एक दिन बोलती दिखाओ कैसे. I think we should, but I want to also say my team from Excel and my team, digital team, and my PR team and my marketing team. I don't know where is Varun. Varun needs to be on stage. They have worked. Some of them have come late, on this, Nilima, and but they have gotten into it. Varun has been with us from the beginning, from the reading point of view. उन्होंने मुझे लगता है कि मुझको ऐसा महसूस नहीं कराया, विशाल थैंक यू ऑल्सो फॉर दैट, व्हेनेवर वी हैव स्पोकन टू ईच अदर, ऐसा महसूस नहीं कराया कि मैं किसी बिजनेस एसोसिएट से बात कर रहा हूँ. उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा महसूस कराया कि वन ह्यूमन बीइंग इज टॉकिंग टू अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग हुज हार्ट बीट्स एंड हार्ट बीट्स फॉर समथिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल. आनंद, तेरा रोल छोटा सा था, मेरा तू यू केम ऑल द वे टू दैट प्लेस एंड यू वर सो वंडरफुल. आई had to cut your role. There was one scene, but I promised you outside that you will get a bigger role in my film. But thank you for coming all the way just to do that one scene. You were so wonderful. This is what Anand was my roommate. You see, also I've collected people who were my roommate. My mother is here. Mother says, अच्छा मैं बोलूँ कुछ. मैंने कहा नहीं, कहती मैं नहीं कुछ बोलूँगी फिर नज़र लग जाएगी. So Raju, thank you, and everybody thank you. आई कैन फील मेरे योगेश जी यहाँ पर हैं. योगेश जी आप मंच पे क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं, आप तो खुद ही आ जाते हैं, मगर आप आइए ना प्लीज. योगेश जी के लिए तालियां हमारी यहाँ पर
राइट आउटडोर से योगेश लखानी साहब.
लखानी जी तो इनके बगैर कुछ नहीं होता हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. ही इज सो वंडरफुल. मैंने तो इनके बायोपिक के राइट्स भी ले लिए हैं बिकॉज इट विल बी द मोस्ट अमेजिंग स्टोरी ऑफ हिम, द ग्रोथ ऑफ दिस गाय. You see, we look at him and we laugh. Sometimes we smile because that's his persona. But I think the growth of this man from where he started and where he has reached is really inspirational. Thank you. And thank you everybody. Thank you Bhavna. Thank you Komal, my old friends. And spread the word. That is what is important.
अनुपम सर, I'm so sorry to interrupt. बस एक वहाँ से सवाल
जी,
आने
जी,
के लिए
yes,
साहब,
ma'am,
ये
of
दो
course,
सवाल हैं बस.
Of course.
अनुपम जी नमस्ते.
नमस्ते मैम.
एंड आई विल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट और बहुत सारी बधाई भी दूँ. और मुझे इस बात की खुशी भी है कि ये ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा लगा और हर मोमेंट इट मेड मी माई आईज फुल ऑफ टीयर्स. एक बात इस मौके पे कहना चाहूँगी, मेरा अपना ग्रैंडसन, ही इज़ 3.5 years old नाउ, जब वो 1 साल का पूरा हो गया तब भी कोई वर्ड बोल नहीं रहा था. इन अ पीरियड ऑफ सर्टेन टाइम वी अप्रोच द डॉक्टर्स, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, and they said ki there could be chances that he is autistic. Fortunately he has only mild spectrum of autism, not full autism. but मैं दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि इस फिल्म ने मुझे बड़ी प्रेरणा दी है. अच्छा लगा और आई एम श्योर कि दिस फिल्म विल बी मोटिवेट द एंटायर पीपल whose kids or their closer relatives they has this spectrum of autism. इरवानी साहब, आपको मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ. Can you say some more details what were the challenges to compose the music of this film? And my question to Pallavi as well, can you share some more memories and some more facts on your visit to Cannes?
नमस्ते जी. ये कहना चाहता हूँ टू bring a story about a girl who cannot manipulate in her world to this level, from story writing to this release level. It needs a lot of manipulations. That's what we did. We did a lot of manipulations, me and Anupam ji. It has to be like that because it's the world of perspectives. We walk in Tanvi's shoes. That's how we did it. But in the process, we have to be ourselves, and it requires a lot of manipulation. You know how the world operates. It's a big story I want to share after the release of the movie. Thank you very much.
I must tell you a small story. Sorry, पहले आप जवाब दीजिए. नहीं आप बताइए कांस का experience हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. कांस गए थे हम.
तो कांस का एक्सपीरियंस हमारा बहुत अच्छा रहा बिकॉज सब लोग साथ थे. तो एक तो जो शूटिंग के वक्त माहौल था वो उससे ज़्यादा रिलैक्स था क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट याद नहीं करनी थी, लाइनें बोलने नहीं थी. तो इसलिए वी वर ऑल एंड वी ऑल्सो न्यू दैट वी हैव अ गुड फिल्म ऑन हैंड ऑल्दो वी हैडंट सीन द फिल्म, क्योंकि अनुपम जी ने हम में से किसी को फिल्म दिखाई नहीं थी. सो देयर वाज दैट सेंस ऑफ थोड़ा सा कि क्या होने वाला है, कैसे लगेगी फिल्म. बट व्हेन वी सॉ इट that day at Cannes when it premiered, तो एक इमोशन जो हम सबका मेरे ख्याल से आपस में हमने शेयर किया वो ये था कि पूरी फिल्म में हम रो रहे थे, लेकिन पूरी फिल्म में हमारे चेहरे पर एक स्माइल भी थी. And we were laughing, we were smiling, and we were crying at the same time. And these two emotions, to capture them together in one frame, I think as a director, it's hats off to Anupam ji for making that happen. Not just in one or two scenes, but throughout the film. So I think what Jagudas said, he said a very good word. He said the film is soul cleansing. And I think that's exactly what it is. He said it so well.
आई जस्ट शेयर आपके बात से मुझे एक बात बताना चाहता था कि मैं हमेशा से कीको नाकाहारा को अपनी डीओपी से लेना चाहता था. तो शूटिंग से 7-8 महीने पहले मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया. उन्होंने कहा मिस्टर खेर आई एम बिजी बिकॉज आई एम इन जापान एंड आई कैन नॉट शूट. फिर मैंने कोशिश की, फिर मैंने उनको जब शूटिंग नज़दीक आने लगी फिर मैंने कहा नहीं मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ देखता हूँ. तो 3 मिस्ड कॉल मैंने एक ही दिन में उनको दी. फिर उनका 3-4 घंटे बाद उनका फ़ोन आया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ओह मिस्टर भाई यू आर वेरी परसिस्टेंट, बोलिए व्हाट इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ. सो आई सेड इट्स द स्टोरी ऑफ अ गर्ल हु शोज ऑटिज्म एज अ सुपर पावर. शी सेड आई एम डूइंग योर फिल्म. पूरी कहानी नहीं सुनी. तो फिर वो आ गई. फिर जब हम लोकेशन हंटिंग कर रहे थे तो एक दिन मैंने उससे पूछा कि कीको व्हाई डिड यू सॉर्ट ऑफ, शी सेड लेट मी टेल यू स्टोरी. शी सेड व्हेन यू फर्स्ट called me up, I was 9 months pregnant, so I couldn't have done the film. When you later called me up, my son was 3 months old, and my sister said he's not looking at you while you are doing hello hello beta. So I had gone to the doctor, and doctor said that he has autistic spectrum. And when I came home, there were 3 missed calls from you. And you said this is the story. I thought there was hope for my son, and I wanted to do it. ऐसे बहुत सारे इस फिल्म में किस्से जुड़े हैं, बहुत सारे लोग हमको मिले हैं. इन्होंने जो जादू किया, में जो आदमी यहाँ बैठा है जो चुपचाप, इन्होंने जब साउंड मिक्स करते थे तो फिर ये मुझे बोलते थे फ़ोन करके या मैसेज. ये भी ही इज़ ऑल्सो मैन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स. Okay, nice, fine, etc. But one day he called me, he said that interview scene, there's a scene, he really made me cry. Would you like to say something? Not about the scene, but...
No, there's a general impression that everybody is giving about the film is very melancholic. I think it started with Keeravani, where singing has made the whole thing very melancholic start, and everybody's like dwelling on it. I would say the film is not melancholic. The film is not about disability. The film is about celebration of life. It's a very, very uplifting film. I think that's what we need to put it out. And in every boardrooms when we sit and talk, what is happening in Hindi films, what kind of films are working, what kind of films are not working. I think what moved away from Hindi cinema in the last 10 years is that directors who believe in the subject and directors who are passionate about making what they believe in, finding the resources to do it, finding the people to assemble and stand with them. I think Tanvi the Great is a film like that, and that's what the need of the hour as a film enthusiast and a filmmaker and a person who is working in this for the last more than 25 years. I feel this film is going to be a turning point for Hindi cinema, because here is a film that director believed in, and now corporate said Excel sheets are not working, and these numbers are not working. These people don't make any sense. These people can't bring in enough money, bring people to the theatre. But eventually, what comes, people come to theatre is for the film, for the story, and what moves them, what stays them, glue them to the seats. That's what this man has done. And hats off to you, sir. And he did one more thing. From Magdira to Bahubali, we missed working each other, and he made it happen for me. Thank you.
Yes, sir. दो चीजें.
हाँ जी सर.
I would like to remind you and everybody sitting here that your interest towards the subject was sitting 20 years back when you used to visit Dilkhush School.
Yes.
And used to work with the kids with this Down syndrome and autistic kids. You were working with them for nearly more than 2 to 3 years.
Yeah, I used to teach them.
You used to go them early morning. You used to be with them till the evening. And this entire idea I'm sure must have been developed at that time. Because ये अभी की बात नहीं है, ये 20-25 साल पहले से आपका इंटरेस्ट इस सब्जेक्ट में रहा है. And you as a human being and a person was always towards people who are from the weaker section, some people who need something. Secondly, the reason why this film is also going to be a very big hit. As a technician, I would like to tell you that आज तक हमने किसी भी फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे या प्रीमियर्स में या प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में पूरी टेक्नीशियंस के साथ टीम को हमने देखा नहीं आज तक. The first time we are seeing the entire team, the writers, the music directors, the composers, the singers, the editors, the choreographers together talking about the film. And this teamwork is going to make a film one of the biggest success of the year.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ashokji. I'll end up with two people have to speak. One is telling me silently not to ask me anything, that's Kruti. And one, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इस फिल्म में रॉड का क्या काम है? हैं? सर, आपने क्या किया इस फिल्म में?
मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है. Very great experience working with Akhil sir. I met him on Vijay 69. I used to work as a stuntman. I saw him a lot of time. But हमारा कभी ऐसा आपस में इतनी बातचीत नहीं हुई थी. When I was action director for Vijay 69, there was few shots which I designed for him. Then he told me he's doing a film. So I told sir, you call me anytime, I'll come to work. जो रसूल सर ने एक बात बोली थी, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि मैं भी उनसे बहुत स्लम डॉग मिलियनर के बाद मिल रहा हूँ. So we worked with him so many years after him. So खेल साहब ने मुझे एक चीज़ अच्छा लगा था कि उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से काम करने बोला था. उन्होंने कभी मुझे ये नहीं बोला था मुझे इस फिल्म का रेफरेंस के हिसाब से काम करना है. मेरी फिल्म में मुझे ऐसा चाहिए. That makes something like a creator, as a director who believes himself, not looking to others people work and saying even मैं इसकी जैसे बनाऊँ. Thank you.
Thank you. अंकुर के जी, या नहीं आप ये लिखते हैं.
Hello everyone. Anupam sir, I just love you, and I do not think of all the directors that I've worked with on all the sets that I've been on. Only on this set did I feel conviction. Did I feel that there is a process to creation and something that belief system कैसे काम करता है, religion कैसे काम करता है, लेकिन उस belief system से ये create करना I've not seen on any other set, and I've been on a set. And Tanvi के narration के time पे sir had called me, and there were only tears, and it's not melancholic, but in a genuinely very we forget to get inspired these days, and I think films are not inspirational anymore, but this story was so inspirational that as a human being I wanted to just be on this set and just get completely inspired. I didn't know that there was such beautiful people on this set, and every day was just a process of inspiration, of getting just moved by people, by emotions, by moments. And I think the most amazing part of this film is Shubhangi. I think she was blessed, but she also poured her heart out to everybody and everything that was around her. And I've also been a part of montages, but this film has given me so much more as a technician than I have given to the film. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's wonderful. हमारे जो colorist हैं, जो DIGF के हैं, Andy, he is from Germany, and I want you to say.
He always makes me talk, and I'm so shy. I've done so many films worldwide, but this film is so special. When I heard the story first, I mean, I always try to understand the story because I have to make texture. And texture means I saw the story, I saw the offline, I heard the story. It was so emotional that this is a Hollywood film. It has to look like a Hollywood film. There's a little bit of Disney in there, there's realism in there. So we created something, and I think it's just beautiful.
Well, thank you so much.
And two people who have to say thank you is Pranit and Ishan, who have been day and night working. I don't know where they are, But thank you, Pranit, thank you, Ishan, who have been working 24 hours. Thank you, and Actor Prepares, thank you for giving me Herman. Thank you for Shubhangi from Actor Prepares. Thank you, Joshua, for your brilliant VFX. Thank you, everybody, for amazing. Thank you for my association. Thank you for editing the first. Chaitanya, you want to say something? Yes, my friend.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll just.
शांत हो जा. अरे यार क्या होता है? अरे यार कहीं और जाना है? और कोई इवेंट है? रुक जा. हमने 4 साल लगाए इस फिल्म में. एक आधा घंटा और रुक जा.
I know Anupam ji since Saransh, and I know his dedication and 500% involvement. सबसे बड़ी बात है, you already have 2 Oscar award winning.
आपको क्यों लगता है मैं बीच में खड़ा हूँ? हर फोटो में ऐसा चाहिए मुझे. नहीं है बीच में.
जबू दादा हाय. Your trailer is Oscar award worthy. I can say this. Just wanted to share, since Arvind Swamy is not here, can you just share 2 lines on what is his character? Because it's
So Arvind Swamy trains Tanvi to join the army because Arvind Swamy was with her father. Also Ian Glenn, who was from Game of Thrones, he plays the person who is conducting a very 9-month workshop in America. So that's it, brothers and sisters, and thank you, my friends. आपका काम मैं क्यों नहीं कर रहा?
Sir, अब तो हो गया. I'm loving it. आज outstanding performance दिया मैंने. नहीं, all I want to say is thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being so amazing. मतलब press conference में इतना कमाल का conversation मुझे नहीं लगता कि हाल फिलहाल कभी हमने ऐसा देखा होगा. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Thank you so much. 18 July is when we get to see all of you watching this movie in theaters. Ashok sir, thank you so much. वो extra तालियों के लिए. That's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Anupam sir, thank you so
My
much.
line producers also, Shastri ji, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Okay, now what we'll do is, I'll ask the cast to stay back and we'll do a picture, yeah? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. कम इस टीम के साथ एक कर लेते हैं, then we'll go. Okay, no worries, Adi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Come, इस टीम के साथ एक करेंगे and then we'll go आगे, okay? Thank you so much, Anil sir. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you, Lucky sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do a quick one with the cast, yeah? Thank you. Anil sir, Mr. Thadani, Anupam sir would want you on stage. Bhavna ma'am, thank you so much for being here. Akash, thank you for the first question. Yeah. Yes, sir. Good. Thank you so much. Okay, I would request the cast to kindly stay back. Yeah. कोई बात नहीं. अनिल सर, आपको प्लीज रहेगा. अनिल सर, we want you to stay back. Thank you. Can we clear the chairs, please? Thank you. Anupam sir, Shubhangi. MM Cream Saab, sir. Pallavi ma'am, please. MM Cream Saab, sir, please, we want you on stage. Thank you. Rasool sir, of course. Rasool Pukuti Saab, thank you so much. So, we'll do a couple of solos. Before that, Baba ma'am wants to do some. Yes, we would want to do the honors. Shreyas, ye. Shivangi, go. Thank you, Bhavna ma'am. Shubhangi, come with the team. Karan sir, please आइए. Pallavi ma'am, please be here. So ये कास्ट की एक बार 5 लोग की पल्लवी ma'am आइए. Come, आइए.
Ugh.